Embark on your next adventure fully prepared. Discover the must-have essentials to pack for seamless travels ahead. 1. Clothing. Consider the climate of your destination and pack accordingly. If it's cold, bring layers. If it's hot, lightweight and breathable fabrics are essential. Include versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits to save space in your luggage. Don't forget undergarments, socks, pajamas, and any specialized clothing for specific activities like swimming or hiking. 2. Toiletries. Pack toiletries in travel-sized containers to comply with TSA regulations if flying. Consider any specific skincare or haircare products you need. Like moisturizer or hair styling products, remember items like a razor, shaving cream, feminine hygiene products, and a hairbrush or comb. 3. Medications. Bring an ample supply of prescription medications, along with a copy of your prescription in case you need a refill. Include basic over-the-counter medications like pain relievers, antacids, and antihistamines for unexpected illnesses or discomfort. 4. Travel documents. Keep important documents organized and easily accessible in a waterproof travel wallet or folder. Make copies of essential documents like your passport and itinerary and store them separately from the originals. Consider using digital copies stored securely on your phone or cloud storage as backups. 5. Electronics. Protect your electronics by packing them in a padded case or protective sleeve. Bring necessary chargers, adapters, and power banks to keep your devices powered up throughout your trip. Consider downloading offline maps or translation apps to use in case you don't have internet access. 6. Entertainment. Think about your preferences for entertainment during downtime and pack accordingly, whether it's physical books, ebooks, audiobooks, or podcasts. Don't forget headphones or earbuds for listening to music or watching videos without disturbing others. 7. Miscellaneous. Tailor your miscellaneous items to your destination and activities. For example, if you're going hiking, bring a portable water filter and trail mix. Consider packing a reusable shopping bag for carrying groceries or souvenirs to reduce waste. Include any specific items that bring you comfort or convenience, like a travel-sized umbrella or a compact travel towel. 8. Money and payment methods. Distribute your money and payment methods across different locations, e.g., wallet, money belt, hotel safe, to minimize the risk of loss or theft. Inform your bank of your travel plans to avoid any issues with using your cards abroad. Consider carrying a small amount of local currency for immediate expenses upon arrival. 9. Travel gear. Choose luggage or backpacks that are durable, lightweight, and easy to maneuver. Invest in travel accessories like packing cubes, compression bags, and luggage locks to maximize space and security. Don't forget travel-sized versions of essential items like a neck pillow, eye mask, and earplugs for long flights or bus rides. 10. Emergency contacts. Compile a list of emergency contacts, including local emergency services, your country's embassy or consulate, and trusted family or friends back home. Keep this list easily accessible either in your phone, wallet, or with your travel documents. Ensure your journey is smooth sailing by packing these essentials. Happy travels!